What's up guys? In today's quick tip video in under 1 minute, I'm going to show you how to adjust the speedometer on the screen without having to scroll the wheel on your steering wheel. Here we go. When you put the car in cruise control, and you can see it says the speed limit there, but I have it set to a max of 62. So if without having to scroll your wheel, you can just tap on the speed limit and it'll automatically adjust it to 60 miles an hour. The same thing goes when you're in autopilot. So I have, let's say I want to max out to 65 and it's in a 55 zone. I can just tap on the speed limit sign and it'll automatically go to what you have it set to. I have it set to 5 miles above the speed limit, so you can change that into your settings on the autopilot features. But that's one more cool quick tip I recommend for you guys. That's it for today guys. Check out my other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a good one.